about earth region, let me speak about how this particular earth region is so important in this particular blast furnace section. That is, there will be mainly separation of molten metal and molten slag occurs, and it which is defines there will be two tables for the molten slag and molten metal which are situated in the earth zone, and there will be unburnt, if some unburnt coke is remaining in this particular section, that goes out into the slag region, which is forms a dead man zone. And the entire blast furnace construction, the earth zone is called as a smallest cross section of the furnace. The walls also parallel, just like the belly zone between stack zone and stack zone and this particular Bosch zone. And this particular situation, if you see in the earth zone, now let me speak about this principle of the blast furnace. The blast furnace works on counter current type principle, or by the main principle we call it as a carbothermic reduction of iron ore. Carbon comes out from the CO gas, which gives, as it is been interacting with the iron ore, chemical reaction produce exothermic heat. That is why thermic, this carbon thermic reduction of iron ore gives rise removing of the impurities associated with the iron ore. Carbothermic reduction of iron ore is nothing but a principle of the blast furnace. The process is ascending of the hot gases from the bottom, and from the top descending of the solid charge occurs. In a way, there will be removal of the impurities occurs from the iron oxide bearing of iron bearing materials. As a resultant, you will see liquid slag and liquid molten metal blast furnace gases. And blast furnace in the input and output will be explained with a simple material balance equation. The balance between input and output, such as iron ore oxide mineral and gangue material impurities, and reducer such as carbon comes out from the coke, flux which was used type of limestone, and hot blast sent from the gears. These are the input materials, and output materials are liquid pig iron, liquid slag, and furnace gases. And finally, this particular input materials, iron bearing materials, also includes ore and sinter, coke and flux such as limestone and dolomite. The iron ore is nothing but Fe2O3. There will be some other gangue materials such as SiO2 and Al2O3. The output is pig iron with having the carbon, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, manganese. Rest is iron composition. Slag with the CaO, Al2O3, FeO and MgO percentage. Blast furnace gases such as CO and CO2. Rest is nitrogen. And pig iron, why it is called pig iron production blast furnace? From the ladle, the molten pig iron is being taken from the tap hole from the earth zone of the blast furnace. This particular molten iron is passed into the piglet kind of molds. As it is been solidified, looks like this. That is why these particular piglets consist of majorly iron. We call it as a pig iron. The average composition of pig iron produced from blast furnace is very high carbon, very low sulfur. The sulfur is 0.04 to 0.06. Manganese and silicon phosphorus are 0.2 to 1, and rest is iron. And coming to the slag composition, the slag composition is which is low melting point material compared to the hot metal pig iron, and low density. And all this particular unreduced and removed impurities goes into the slag form. This major constitute of this slag, blast furnace slag, are Al2O3 20%, CaO 32%, SiO2 33%, MgO 9%, sulfur 0.8, MnO 0.5, titanium oxide 1%, FeO 0.4, potassium oxide Na2O 1%, other oxides 0.5. The reference is taken from the Tata Steel blast furnace iron production process. The conclusion of this particular lecture with a few questions. Draw the simple schematic of blast furnace. how this particular blast furnace skeleton diagram can be drawn. What is the purpose of the design of stack tapered downward with increasing cross section? As I explained in this particular lecture, give the answer to that. And similarly, what is the purpose of the design of Bosch tapered downward with decreasing cross section? And write down the material balance equation of the pig iron production by blast furnace. Pig iron is produced by blast furnace only in the modern steel plants. Justify it comparing other alternatives. Why in the blast furnace it is being produced? Thank you.